Full-time teachers and even homeschooling moms should be prepared to work with students with Attention Deficit Hyperactivity Disorder, ADHD for short, since these students make up between 3 to 5% of all students in the U.S. If you need assistance working with a student with ADHD, this video is for you. Welcome to Ruthsstraighttalk, the channel designed to help you, your students, and your children live fuller lives, become lifelong learners, and grow into the awesome human beings you were designed to be. I'm Cynthia Ruth. In this video, I will share with you several organizational skills that will help your ADHD students stay focused and on top of their game. Also, don't miss my bonus tips on extra help for your ADHD student at the end of this video. So let's get right to it. By law, all ADHD students have the opportunity to have a teacher to liaison with parents, child, and other teachers to help the students stay on task and stay on grade. This teacher will regularly review the student's progress through progress reports submitted by the other teachers and will act as a liaison between the home and school. The student will meet with his advisor on a regular basis, say every Monday morning, to plan and organize for the week and to review progress and problems of the past week. Number 2, assignment notebooks. Parents should provide the child with an assignment notebook to record and organize homework and other assignments that the student needs to prepare for. Number 3, color-coded folders. The student will use color-coded folders to help organize assignments for different academic subjects. For example, one color for reading, another for math, another for social science, and another for science as well. Number 4, the student will work with a homework partner. The teacher or another student will monitor the ADHD student to help them to record homework in the assignment book and to fill out worksheets and other papers to file them in the correct or proper folders. Number 5, regularly the student should clean out their desks and book bags. The child will sort through and clean out his desk, book bag, and other special areas where the written assignments are stored on a weekly basis. This will ensure that all assignments are accounted for and turned in on time. Number 6, visual aids as reminders of subject materials. In the classroom, the teacher should display multiple visual aids such as banners, charts, lists, pie graphs, and other diagrams posted at various locations in the classroom to remind the student what subject materials are being learned. Assisting students with time management. Time management is particularly difficult for students with ADHD, and often they struggle to complete assignments on time. There are several ways to help these students improve their time management skills. This includes using a clock or wristwatch. A stopwatch or a clock of any kind will help them stay in control of the time. Teach the child how to read and use the clock or wristwatch to manage their time when completing assignments. Number 9, use of a calendar. Calendars, even weekly calendars, can help the students prepare for the week and to stave off procrastination. Teach the child how to read and use the calendar to schedule assignments. Number 10, practice sequencing activities. Show the student how to break down large projects into small, bite-sized units and to schedule them in a sequence of short, interrelated activities with time schedules for him to complete them. The bonus strategy: create a daily activity schedule. Tape a schedule of planned activities to the child's desk or provide a digital agenda that the student could take with him to each activity during the day. It is also helpful if he could cross out or delete each activity as he accomplishes them during the day, so that at the end of the day he can see that everything was accomplished on time. So there you have it, several tips to help your ADHD students stay organized. If this video has helped you, please leave me a comment at the bottom of the screen. Also, if you have a story, a tip, a strategy, a question, or just some advice that you would like me to share with my audiences, please also leave me a comment at the bottom of the screen. Click on these videos above for more awesome information on education and parenting. Thank you so much for visiting with us at Ruthsstraighttalk.com. It has been a pleasure being with you, and as always, happy learning. See you next time. Goodbye.